Is keeping clean. They've employed three of us to get the river clean here in Fukuoka, going around with fishing nets, picking up all your plastics before it gets out of hand. I hope you have at least consider not being a nuisance so that we can invest that three of their valuable time in doing something beneficial to the society rather than having to pick up your plastic bottles and beer cans and bottles and plastic litter and your yakitori and udon and your, there you go, they're just picking up there's one there, got it. See, it's very sad that we destroy our planet this way. We have to employ, this is manageable because it's Japan. Elsewhere you have to come with big machinery polluting the river, having to burn all that fuel, the diesel fumes that are exhausting out those boats. Yeah, I'm not just talking about this for the sake of saying it, but how much can we save? Our time, our environment, the time of our community workers and our government funding, and our tax money could be put into good use rather than picking up litter that you mess up on the city. And why don't we get this into our heads? Some kind of basic understanding about, and we complain about our taxes are going up in the community. It's only because we have to invest in people, invest in machinery, investing time, investing in other means to be able to. And look at this, talking about everything, and then suddenly graffiti. Well, I don't know if it's Japanese or if it's aberrant European and Western behavior that's bringing this. This never used to be the problem.